So we're in Burbank now. Well, Burbank, California. So, where are we here, Tom?
We're picking up a car in San Diego and we're driving all the way back to Vallejo. And I'm hoping I can make it tonight.
Alright, sure, we'll make it.
And we got
Make it
another,
because you're very tired now.
we're in Burbank right now. We
Well,
still got another 300 miles to go.
I should have put this on live.
400?
Oh yeah, 500
Is that what it
miles.
said? 500?
Yeah, earlier it was 5 something.
So we have a long drive.
So,
But I'm enjoying the new car.
you like your car?
Yeah. Nice refurbished car.
Good looking though.
Mercedes GLK 350.
Tom loves my car. He loves to drive my car, so he ended up selling his old one and bought another one just like my car,
Different color.
except different color and a little newer than mine.
Yeah. And we took a flight up
To San Diego,
San Diego today, Southwest.
and
And we got delayed an hour with mechanical problems. But then we took off, got to San Diego. A little late because of the airplane problem. And
But-
we picked up the car and went out, started driving home, got some Thai food. That's
hopefully, maybe we should break the driving,
pretty soon.
stretch our legs, and
Yeah,
buy some water.
right.
It's nice sunset. Look at that.
Sun just set.
Yeah.
And, nice time to drive the car. Took 2 Ubers today.
Easy though.
I lost my cell phone in the first one. Now I gotta try and find it when I get back home. Damn.
Yeah.
But they found it, they said, so somehow I gotta get a hold of that Uber driver.
I can't believe you survived without a day without a phone.
Well, I guess it can be done.
Yeah. I thought you were gonna die without your phone, but
Well, I will later on. All my business is on there.
your business dead
Yeah,
for sure.
that's not good.
People are calling you about
So much.
buying your old car.
That too. Need my cell phone.
Okay. So today, guys, let me turn this around. Today, guys, we book a flight from Oakland to San Diego to pick up Tom's car. Supposed to be, the plan was he hired a trucker, but the trucker kept, delaying for how many days now. So we finally decided to cancel the booking, and then we booked a flight to San Diego and then pick up the car in Escondido, California.
Nice city.
It's a beautiful city. Now we're driving home in his new car.
Yeah.
So I don't know if we're gonna stop over for the night or if we can make it on the way, all the way. But it's gonna be another 6 hours driving.
I think we got 5 hours left going to highway
5 more hours to drive. And we're in Burbank right now, around LA.
Glen Oaks Boulevard. Oh, I
look at
remember
that.
Glen Oaks Boulevard.
So,
Uncle Sam, he had a pizza store in Glen Oaks Boulevard, I think.
around here?
Glen Oaks Boulevard, yeah, it rings a bell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Wow.
we'll update you guys later.
Yeah, a lot of crazy drivers.
Yeah, look
Just
at
trying
that.
to stay safe.
We'll update you later
Yeah. Adios.
when we get to the gas station.
San Francisco.
Now,
Sacramento, 372 miles.
so here is the, where is the 600? How many miles to Sacramento?
372.
Oh, okay.
We're not going to Sacramento.
No, but keep an eye on the road.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll update you guys later. Bye.